we have a Opel Astra K model 2017, and we will be changing the rear brake pads and brake discs. Okay, make sure that your brake fluid, this is open. There might be a lot of fluid coming if your brakes are really worn. The rear end, and we'll be raising it both sides at the same time. So this off. Okay, now it's at the bottom. Now it should be loose. Now we push the cylinder in. That's easy. Almost at the metal. Okay, we clean this up. Okay, now we take off the brake disc.
Clean the discs if they are greasy.
In with the new. New brake pads. Okay, now the wiring. Now we can test this. Let's put on the handbrake. Okay, now it should be tight, yes. Let's loose it. It's loose. You have all these here, these sensor lines. These are attached with these. And then there's this brake line there. So we'll need to take off these two bolts, this and down here, this one. So you need to open this. Have to pull the red one out like that, and then push that Now we need to put some power here so the piston will come in, and then we can push it. 12 volts here. I have this Milwaukee 12 volt battery here, and then we test this. Did it lose? Yes, it did lose. We'll need to get this all the way. It stops the sound then. Okay, that's it. It's all the way in. There is a place, and you can use the screwdriver to push the piston in. Just like that. Okay, it's all the way in now. Okay, these are toast. These are really bad. This has gone already to the metal. Then we'll need to take this bolt off to change the disc.
Clean the discs if they are greasy.
These new pads has this here, this metal. When it wears, it starts to make a noise. That's why it's here. Okay, let's put this there and we assemble that. Pads are in. This is pushed there. This is very good. You should check this if it should slide like that very easily. So now the piston is in and this is all the way there. Now we can put it back here. It should be loose now. We can test. I put the handbrake on. Oh, that's good. And that's how you change the discs and the pads for the electric handbrake car. That's really easy because that was the first time that I did this and it worked well. They are in place and the car is working. Okay, no brake sounds, very smooth braking. Those were original parts, so this has been driven about 120,000 kilometers. So, not bad. And those were cheap parts that I put in. If they last even the half of it, it's not bad. Okay, so there you go.